Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Baofeng BF-888S to UV-82. This guide will help you program your BF-888's radios to match the frequencies of your UV-82, ensuring they can communicate effectively. You'll need a specific programming cable and the free Chirp software. It's a straightforward process that saves you time and effort. Let's get started by preparing your equipment. First, download and install the Chirp programming software on your computer. It's widely available and supports many radio models. Next, connect your programming cable to an available USB port on your PC. You might need to install specific USB drivers for the cable to function correctly. These usually come with the cable or are found online. Ensure the drivers are properly installed before proceeding to avoid connection issues. Now, connect your Baofeng UV-82 to the programming cable. Open Chirp, select your radio model and port, then click Download from Radio to read its current frequencies. Save this file to your computer. Disconnect the UV-82, then connect your BF-888. In Chirp, select the BF-888's model, then click Upload to Radio and choose the file you just saved. This transfers the frequencies. After uploading, disconnect the BF-888's and power it on. Test communication between a UV-82 and a BF-888 on various channels to ensure everything is working as expected. If you encounter issues, double-check your cable connection, driver installation, and the radio model selection in Chirp. Sometimes, simply restarting Chirp or your computer can resolve minor glitches. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.